So here is coconut oil, and I want to show us how I often use it and how it has helped me reverse diarrhea. What are the things that could make this happen? It could happen sometimes when you eat too much spices, too much caffeines, or stress, or sometimes the body just wants to cleanse itself. Consume maybe too much of protein like beans, and the body, the stomach is just overwhelmed and it wants to cleanse itself. And in that case, you start visiting the loo more often than not. It seems the body wants to throw out some things, and as soon as you allow that to happen for a while, but as soon as you start feeling that churning feeling, when it churns you, you go to the toilet or you go to the loo. When it gets to the point you can no longer take it, you go for your cold pressed coconut oil. That's what I do, because you need fat at that point. Delicate walls of your intestine. Oil is very high in saturated fat, and the saturated fat in coconut oil is this healing fat. That is the lauric acid, the papric acid, and the medium chain fatty acids are disease fighting agents. To keep it around me on a journey or wherever. So how do I take it? You just take about half cup. As at last night, I took this oil, half cup or like this, almost a weight, and drink it so as to stop further churning of the intestine, because your stomach or the intestine, the organs may need protection. And not only that, there are some agents, candida, bacteria, that also join forces with the bacteria to bring about complications. But once the comes in, most of these bacteria, most of these microbes, fungi, candida, and then if there is resistance, it has positive effect on it. And then the healthy fats in the coconut oil help protect the delicate walls of the intestine and stop further churning. It's something I have tried several times, and it works effectively to stop diarrhea. It is easier to stop diarrhea in younger people, but when it occurs in pre-diabetic and diabetics, it's often difficult to, because everything you bring in tends to spike the sugar, or injured, as often is often the case. It's also difficult to bring foods like ginger and spicy stuff that you are using. What you may need is fat, and that is why I say coconut. Even at midnight, it will surprise you that even at midnight, I've taken this oil without. It supports the brain health. It calms the brain. At times, the body needs to rest. The stomach needs to rest during such boots. Those hours and periods, what you need to sustain it, to keep it, to maintain its integrity, is fat. This oil. And so you need to have it at all times. This not to say you should use it. Have it in case you need to use it for a home remedy for various things. One, diarrhea. In case you're coming across my page, Mali is my name, and I'm the president and founder Grace Ngo Foundation, set up with the soul enlightening the public on how to regain and retain their health through natural foods. I successfully reversed such as malaria, typhoid, stomach ulcers, including occasional bouts of diarrhea in adults without the use of medications. You can also live a healthy life using food as your medicine. This message, why not click the follow button for more and give me your like? Thanks for watching.